Let's make our project a little bit more interactive. Press on the Behaviours button and select Add New Behaviour, and scroll down and choose Custom. Then tap to add a trigger and select Start Scene. Now tap to add an action sequence and select Play Ambience. Tap Choose to find a nice ambient effect, and you can preview the sounds from the content library by selecting them. Finally, tap Elsewhere to confirm your selection. We'll add some more action to the scene by pressing the Add New Behaviour button again and select Custom, but this time we'll use a tap to trigger the action sequence. Make sure you choose the objects you want to be able to tap on to trigger the action and press Done when you're finished. This time we're going to use an emphasize action, and we're going to scroll down and choose a flip motion type. Press the closest play button for a preview of your action, and you can adjust it to your liking. Next, press the main play button to test your behaviours. You can see that the ambient sound and the tap behaviours are both working perfectly. The last thing to do is to check out our project in augmented reality.